Hello all, welcome back. We'll see some simple interview question today. What is Selenium and what are its advantages? So whenever you face this question, the simple answer might be Selenium is an automation testing tool which is used to test web UI. So it is very simple. Wherever we have some web application which is running on the web browser, and if you want to test that automatically, to write some automation script to test that application, we can use Selenium. And when it is originated and where it is originated means actually there is a company called ThoughtWorks, and it was developed as an internal tool in ThoughtWorks in 2004 by Jason Huggins, and later it was provided to all, and it is open source anyhow. That is one of the advantage as well. So what we actually can do with Selenium is Selenium helps us in automating any application which is running on the web browser. And remember, we can automate web applications only using Selenium. And coming to the advantages of the Selenium, Selenium is open source thing. So we don't need to pay anything. If you want to support, you can support the community, but you don't need to pay any license charges, anything. And the support we get from different programming languages. So we do have libraries and packages with different programming languages to work with Selenium. So most of the popular languages are supported by Selenium, like Java, C Sharp, Python, etc. And we are, Selenium comes with multi-browser support. So if you have automation scripts, you can run on different browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, etc. So, and multiple frameworks like data driven, keyword driven, whatever the framework style you wish, you can go with that, and you can write your automation scripts. And we are flexible to work with other technologies also whenever we are using Selenium. What exactly means is, for example, if, like we discussed earlier, we can automate any application which is running on the web browser, means web applications only. But for instance, if we have something to be uploaded in our web application, maybe we need to upload a photograph or document, and in that case, we'll be getting some upload, file explorer, right? So that is a window component. I mean, that's not a web component, but we need to work with that as well in order to actually test our test case on the web browser itself. So for that, we can integrate either AutoIt or maybe robot framework. So we simply can write that script in our Selenium script itself. We are, it's flexible enough to support those types as well. So these are few advantages of the Selenium we do have, and it is very simpler to learn, and it's very interesting to work with as well.